Hey guys, so I'm going to be harvesting my Yukon Gold potatoes today. I planted these on March 26th and it is June 24th today. So it's been almost 3 months, and as you can see, these are definitely ready to be harvested. So I'm going to start with this first bin right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling them out. I already see one right here. There's a teeny tiny little one forming on here. Where ends up these on here? Come on. What's wrong?
I hear the bumblebee, Mama.
You heard a bumblebee. I don't think there's a bumblebee.
I went in a planet.
Look, you see potatoes?
Where's more? I see more. You want my pick?
Yeah, there's lots of potatoes, huh?
I want my pick up. I want pick up, Mama.
You want one? Can you put it in there? Good job.
Where's more?
Hang on, we're looking.
Let me hold.
There's one.
My little baby.
Your little baby. There's one.
Me too.
Ooh, that's a good one. It's got a little rotting spot starting. There you go. We can eat that one up first. It's a little soft.
Oh. Like a planet.
Yeah.
I'm planting it.
Okay, so we ended up with a pretty nice potato harvest. These are Yukon Gold. I gave them about 3 months to grow, and it was 4 little plastic bins full. Some of them were rotted because I didn't put very good drainage in the bottom of these, and they kind of had water towards the bottom, so all the potatoes that were like down towards the bottom got a little bit rotted. But I'm going to do a fall crop. I'm going to plant some more and do a fall crop of them. And
what you doing? I walked in the fire.